Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ConvertKit for LinkedIn Creator Funnels, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the ConvertKit website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. Fill in your email address and choose a password. Select the Get Started option. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once verified, return to the ConvertKit login page. Log in using your email and newly created password. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. Enter your name and select your primary goal with ConvertKit. Choose whether you want to use ConvertKit for email marketing, landing pages, or forms. Next, you'll reach a dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the Forms tab on the left side menu. Click on Create New Form to start a new funnel. Select the type of form you wish to create, inline, modal, or slide-in. Customize the form with your desired fields, such as name and email. Use the design options to tailor the appearance to match your brand. Once satisfied with the design, click on Integrations. Locate LinkedIn among the available integrations. Follow the prompts to connect your LinkedIn account with ConvertKit. Save your changes and exit the form builder. Next, navigate to the Landing Pages section. Click on Create New Landing Page. Choose a pre-designed template that suits your needs. Personalize the content, including headings, images, and call to action buttons. Link the landing page to your email form created earlier. Once your landing page is ready, click on Publish. Grab the link to your new landing page. Finally, share the landing page link on your LinkedIn profile and posts. Tweak your strategies as needed to maximize engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.